Okay, good morning everyone. Okay. So today we are see the point that is the growth of animal cell in the culture. Okay, how that animal cell grow in the culture. Okay. So first we are see what is animal. So animal cell it is nothing but the okay. So animal cell जो होते हैं sorry animal cells may be defined as the cultivation of any animal cell from the body in vitro by providing the cell with a suitable environment and the required nutriment. So that culture which provide the required nutrient environment to the grow that animal cells. Okay, so this is nothing the animal cell culture. Types of cell culture in that they are classified into three ways. First one, primary cell culture. Again, that primary cell culture it is divided into the adherent cell culture and the suspension cell culture. Okay, then again secondary cell culture, and third one that is the cell line. Cell line again divided into the finite cell line and the continuous cell line. So these are the types. Okay, so next one, equipment. Which equipment we are used for that animal cell culture? First one, incubator, sterilizer, microscope, washing up equipment, sterilizing, drying oven. Okay, cell freezing, centrifuge, automatic pipette. Okay, so these all the equipment which are used for the that experiments or the animal cell culture. Okay, that difficult that animal cell culture it is difficult to grow the okay on that culture. The animal cell is difficult to grow as compared to other microorganism because that animal cell require more nutrient, and typically they grow only when they are attached to the specially coated surface. Okay, if the grow animal see the animal cell growth in the culture, so they require rich media, those having the number of nutrients in that media. Also they most of animal cell grow only in the special soil surface, so they need the special soil surface. Second, most of the primary cells having the limited growth. Okay, so we are need to use another cells. Okay, that secondary or the cell line. Okay, next one, culture cell can be induced to fuse into heterokaryons. Okay, so that culture cell it is induced by the fuse to into the heterokaryons. Okay, they are converted into the heterokaryons. And next one for that regarding that point, that growth of animal cell in the culture, that is the knowledge regarding transported cell. So first we see the rich media are the required for the why they are required for the animal cell, that is rich media. In order okay, in order to cultivate animal cell, we require a cell culture media that must be rich in nutrients that are required by the cell of an animal to show their proper growth. Okay, if that animal cell we are not providing a rich nutrient media, so they are not growth. Okay, they are stop the growth. So growth of that animal cell we are need to provide enriched media. Okay, which having the number of nutrients. Okay, next one. Okay, and the media must be comprised of that containing media or composition of media, the media having the 9 essential amino acids, also they are having the vitamin or peptide. If peptide is not possible, then take a protein growth factors, and also that protein growth factor, it is provided by serum. Okay, so take a 9 essential amino acid, take a vitamin, or take a peptide or peptide protein growth factor or serum. Okay, between the three, take a one for the composition of media. And the most of the animal cell grows only the spatial solid surface. So the most of the culture animal cell, they require the surface to grow. There are many cells that have the capability to adhere the growth on growth on glass or on the specially treated plastic with the negatively charged groups on the surface. Okay, so that animal cell is growth on the surface, and surface is necessary as a glass or the treated plastic with the negatively charged group. Okay, so these two material surface is needed for the animal cell growth. And the cell culture, cell secretes collagen. Okay, actually the cell culture, they are secrete the collagen and the other matrix component which binds to the culture surface and the function as a bridge between the culture surface and the cells. Okay, so the culture cells which are secreted collagen and the other matrices compound, they are bind to the culture surface, and they are functioning in the bridge between the culture surface and the cells. Okay, so that the secretion collagen and the other matrix, they are act as a culture surface to the, okay, uh, they are act as a functioning between the bridge between the cells culture and the surface. Okay, so there are many cells that have the capability to okay, are there, and a glass plastic. Third point, that is the primary cells have limited growth. The primary cells have limited growth potential in the culture, and they may be give rise to the cell strain. And note that cell strain is the population of culture cell of animal origin that has a finite lifespan in the contrast to the cell line. Okay, that because the primary cells having the limited growth. Okay, because they are the cell strain which is population of culture cell, we are taking the animal origin, and they that is having the finite lifespan in the contrast to the cell line. Okay, so that reason the primary cells having the limited growth. Okay, and the cell line is population of cultured cells of animal origin that undergone a change, allowing the cells to grow the indefinitely in contrast to the cell strain. Okay, so cell strain having the finite lifespan and the cell line having the infinite lifespan and the growth. Okay, also that cell line, they are attack on the chemical to show. Okay, if you are attacking on the cell line, they are show the attack on chemical on the cell line. They are show the growth of bacteria, growth of animal cell. Okay. Next one, that culture cell can be induced or fused into the heterokaryons. The cultured cell can be induced to fuse into the heterokaryons hybrids by the treatment with the certain viruses or the polyethylene glycol. The heterokaryons between the cells of the different species tend to the lose chromosomes of one species as they divided. Note that heterokaryon is multinucleated cell and that contains genetically different nuclei. Okay, so heterokaryon, it is treatment with the certain viruses and the or the polyethylene glycol. That heterokaryon cells difference between the special tend to lose the chromosomes. Also, that's a heterokaryons having the multinucleate. See the structure. First one is the haploid. Second one is the heterokaryons. Okay, so haploids having the two different cells next to a See, here having the haploid having the two different nucleotide. Heteroparents, it is combination of multiple nucleotide, and the diploid having only one two section but one nuclei. Okay. Next one, last one, that is the knowledge unit transported cell. The transported cell that are derived from the tumors or arises spontaneously from the primary rodents cell or the group indefinitely in the culture. Or if we extract the cell from the tumor or from rodents, these are the transported cell grow indefinitely in culture. Okay. So that transported cell that are the derived from the tumors. Most of the first point, they are derived from the tumor, and they are or they are derived from the rodents, and they are cell growth infinitely in the culture. Okay, they are growth cell growth infinitely in the culture. The transported cell derived from the single parent cell are called as cell line. Okay, so this is the transported cell. Okay, so this is about the growth of animal cell in the culture. How to they growth, which require which procedure for that growth, how procedure for the growth of animal cell in culture, also which requirement they are need. Okay, so this total point we are covering in this lecture. Okay, we are stop here. See next point we are seeing the next lecture.